Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to apply the percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. If you are going to Excel here, you can see we have a result of 5 students, and the number of students in the subjects has been written in front of the name and below the subject here. We will find the percentage of every student. In this video, first, you can see the total marks of these 4 subjects are 400. It means the marks of one subject are 100. First, for finding percentage, we will find the sum of these subjects of each student. For this, go to the Obtain Marks section, and here, first, we will write an equal sign, and then sum. After writing these, press the Tab button on your keyboard. After pressing, the bracket will appear here. Once the bracket appears, drag your cursor over here and select all the numbers of one student like that. After that, you can see in the Obtain Marks section B2 to E2 have been selected. Then we will just close the bracket. After closing the bracket, just hit the Enter button, and the sum of the numbers will appear with the help of formula. And then finding the Obtain Marks of each student, select the first cell of Obtain Marks, regular cursor over here, and select and drag it to the last. And then there you go, the total Obtain Marks of each student will appear. And then finding the percentage, go to the first cell of the percentage. And here, first, we will write an equal sign, and in percentage, first, we will select of Obtain Marks and then write slash. After writing right slash, select the total marks first cell. After selecting both of them, go to the percentage cell, and in percentage, we will multiply it by 100. For this, first, we will use this sign, the star. After writing the star, we will write 100. After writing 100, just hit the Enter button, and there you go, the percentage of the student will appear. And we will just drag it to the last, and the percentage of all students will appear. That's the way to apply the percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.